How to delete sent email in Gmail even after 1 day, 1 week, or even 1 year 2026 guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete sent emails in Gmail even after a long time, like 1 day, 1 week, or even 1 year. Let's get started. First, open Gmail on your phone or browser and sign in to your account. Now go to the Sent folder. Here's the important truth. Gmail does not allow you to permanently delete a sent email from the recipient's inbox after it has already been delivered. Once an email is sent, you cannot fully remove it from the other person's inbox after 1 day, 1 week, or even 1 year. But don't worry, here are the best available options. Method 1. Undo send only works within a short time. Right after sending an email, Gmail shows an undo button at the bottom. You can cancel the email, but only within a few seconds, up to 30 seconds max if enabled. Go to settings/undo send/increase cancellation time. Method 2. Remove email from your sent folder. Go to Sent Mail, select the email, and click Delete. This only removes it from your side, not the recipient's inbox. Method 3. Use confidential mode for future emails. Before sending an email, enable confidential mode. This allows you to set expiration dates, restrict forwarding, copying, or downloading, but it does not fully delete old emails. Method 4. Contact the recipient. If the email was important or sensitive, the only real solution is to ask the recipient to delete it from their inbox. Important note: there's no official feature in Gmail that allows you to delete an email from someone else's inbox after it has been sent and delivered. And that's it! Now you know the truth and real methods about deleting sent emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!